Ladies and gentlemen, hi, welcome. That was really creepy. Let me do that again. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we step fully into the Govee verse, I'm calling it, with more RGB products for another episode of RGB All the Things. So in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and get into the Govee Glide wall lights, and we're gonna go ahead and add those to our ecosystem of Govee products that we got here in the office. And I'm gonna show you guys a few cool things that you can do with it. I just dropped the box. I'm really sorry if you heard that on the mic. Doesn't matter, but you know what does matter? Today's sponsor. So go ahead and take a look at it. Are you tired of that annoying Windows activation watermark on your desktop? VIP URCD Key has you covered with fully licensed codes to activate your favorite games and software. Purchasing your key is super easy. All you have to do is click on the item that you want, click buy to add it to your cart. Once in your cart, you can now enter my promo code RAV20. After adding the promo code, you'll see your savings pop up, and you can then purchase your product with your chosen payment method. You'll now have a fully licensed version of Windows 10 with no watermark. Check the links in the description to start saving now. The Govee Glide wall light kit that I have here in the studio today is the Smart Wall Light kit that comes with 6 interchangeable RGBIC pieces and 1 corner piece. And if 6 pieces aren't enough, they do make another version of this that comes with 8 straight pieces and 4 corners, so you can go ahead and decorate your setup to your heart's content. So I will link both of those down in the description for you. So let's quickly get the box open and see what we have here, starting with the user manual and of course the quick start guide. Then the box on the right side has your AC adapter in it. Then on the left side, you have your cord that has your control box, as well as the female end that connects to the bottom of your Govee Glide lights to hook it to the power. And then you have your elbow piece to change the direction of the lights. And then in the kit that I got, you have 6 diffused LED strip pieces that all have 2 command strips on the backs of them to go ahead and apply to your wall. These pieces simply snap and unsnap from each other by going ahead and sticking the male into the female end and applying a little bit of pressure. And then if you want to take it off, you just simply pull it apart, and that's it. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and follow their quick start guide and try to get this thing put together. So the first thing they tell you to do is go ahead and just assemble the whole thing and get your shape done. So that's what I already did. I already took it and found out the way I want to route it. So I'm kind of going to go up the wall here, and it's going to do a right angle at the very top of my wall right there. You guys can't see it, but you will here in just a second. So one thing I did run into that I want to tell you guys about is the angle connector and all the pieces. You can't actually switch the male end and female end, so it kind of limits the direction you can go with the entire thing. So that's one hindrance I already ran into, because if you want to go a certain way, it just depends on where you're going to put this AC adapter at the bottom, because the next step is actually to go ahead and connect this right here. I showed you guys this in the unboxing. You connect these 2 pieces and put these together right here, and so you have your control box, and then you have your AC adapter that goes to your plug in the wall. But this piece right here is what actually attaches to the bottom of the glide lights, and it's only a female. You can't switch it to a male end, so that limits where you can basically put it, unless you want to run your lights and then have a line going all the way down your wall from the very top, and I don't think anybody wants that. So it's kind of limiting. It's pretty unfortunate. I don't know why they did that, because a lot of these types of products actually have the ability to switch the male and female end, so you can do any orientation you want. But luckily in my case, it doesn't matter, because I already know the orientation I want to go in and it works. So the next thing we got to do is go ahead, we're going to take this and we're going to go ahead and plug it into my wall, which luckily I have I have a wall adapter right here, or a wall plug. The adapter goes in there, and then this piece, like I said, will go into the bottom of the lights. Okay guys, so now that I've taken off the command strips off the back of this thing, I'm just going to put it on the wall and just hopefully it sticks. I feel like they meant for it to be this easy. You're basically just supposed to put it together and then stick it on the wall. That's all it's supposed to be. So hopefully it stays. Let's go ahead and try, because I kind of want it to be, let's see, like right here. I want this to be in the corner right here, and I want that to be like right down. I want this to come down here like that, and kind of end like right around there where I can put the piece where it stays right there. So hopefully we can get this nice and even like that. There we go. I think we got it. We got it pretty much even right there. Hopefully, from your guys' angle, it looks even. I think it is. I think this top piece just needs to come over a tad. But just like with some of my other stuff, these textured walls are not the best for this. So these command strips don't always stay on textured walls, and I experienced that in my last office. So I may have to supplement this with some other types of adhesives, but right now, this stuff looks like it's staying. So it's being nice to me for the video, so that's nice. Oh, there we go. Just had to unplug it and plug it back in. Okay, look at that. And now we got some really beautiful RGB lighting on the side right here, and that looks really, really dope. This is actually gonna help with my shots right here when I shoot product for you guys, because it'll offer a backlight on top of certain things. So that's another reason why I did that. I know there's like stuff in the way right here, all my lights and everything, but this is supposed to be A, for my stream, because the camera's gonna come this way, and then B, for when I shoot B-roll down here. It's gonna offer a cool little bounce light for you guys for all the products I shoot. So there we go. So let's go ahead and get into all the cool things you can do with the Govee Home app and how you can sync it with all the other Govee products, because I got a few of them in this office. Okay, the next step for you guys to do would be to go on the App Store and download the Govee Home app. And as you can see, I already have it downloaded. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it right now and show you guys what you can do with these lights. So first time setup of this light is super easy. Any of the Govee products, you can see all the stuff that I already have in my office right there. All you gotta do is go click this little plus icon over here in the corner, and then you need to just search for what the light is. You can even type it in at the top, and look, and if it finds one, it shows you right there, and that already is finding it right there. So let me go ahead and click that, and then immediately it starts establishing a connection to it. And once it establishes a connection, you can go ahead and rename it and make it something else, which I'm gonna go ahead and put, let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and put glide wall lights, like that. So yeah, you can name it whatever you want, but that's what I'm gonna name it. And then press done. And after that, you go ahead and, that's my internet. You go ahead and make your internet, your password, so that way all of your stuff can connect over your Wi-Fi. And then go ahead and press save, and then go ahead and let it do its thing and connect everything. Okay guys, so once it's done updating, you go ahead and get into the Govee Home app. And I'm not gonna go ahead and explain the entire app, because this thing is super extensive. There's a lot you can do with this app right here, and it's actually really cool. I mean, basic stuff, you can change the brightness, stuff like that. You can go ahead and, you can go to their effects lab and you can like try out your own little effects. Here, I'll show you that real quick. You can actually like, do different colors, put them in different orientations and whatnot, and just try stuff out. It's kind of cool. So the main thing I usually use on these lights are their pre-made scenes that they have in here in the app. And like this one right here, this is basically like the usual RGB colored one. So you can see right now, there's so much good light going on right there. Let me go ahead and turn off my my actual studio lights. 1 second, let me, channel 1 off, channel 2 off. So you can really get an idea of how bright and how awesome these things look. I mean, just look at that on camera. Looks so cool. I absolutely love these lights. They're so awesome. But I mean, there's a whole bunch of different types of scenes you guys can do, and then you can change it to whatever you want. Like here's the Aurora one, I like that one too. And they just look great in your background. So again, these are gonna provide some really cool looking backlight for my scenes and my videos. And honestly, it was really, really easy to set up. So I'm actually really happy with it. All right guys, so that's gonna conclude this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at another Govee product like this, and seeing all the cool RGB magic you can do with these lights. So as always, if you guys want to take a look at this product or maybe get one for yourself, the links as always will be in the description below. They are my Amazon affiliate links, so they do go back and help the channel. So if you guys use those links, I'd really appreciate it. But that's going to be it for the video. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. And if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to see more videos like this and all the rest of the tech stuff I do here on the channel, go ahead and get subscribed with those notifications on so you'll be updated on my next video. Take care guys, and have an awesome day.